Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing Windows 17 from the Harry Potter Advent Calendar, so we'll get straight into it. We'll open up the front flap, and we've got number 17 on the third row here. Packet inside. Okay, so we need to get through the plastic and reveal our next pretty cool looking mini pop, guys. Okay, alright. Do let us know down in the comments what you think. If you haven't already, do subscribe to the channel. But for now, we're going to conclude this part of the video. For watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to subscribe to the channel before you leave. Hit the like button. If you didn't, hit the dislike. Once we get to the next milestone, we're doing the next giveaway, so do subscribe if you're running for that, and we'll catch you next time.